yeah, wow. Full in action, yeah, that's cool. Super cool.
This was
Hey.
the best video.
Yeah, excellent. Ciao Luca. Wow.
Ciao Marcus, how are you?
Excellent. Hey, wonderful weather.
Finally, spring
yeah.
is come, no mask.
Yeah, excellent, excellent.
So it's a pleasure to have you here. Now we go to see the production line where we make Aria, our latest model that we already presented the toast, but now we will make the new version with the PID control and with the flow control. So let's go to see how
Very nice.
make it.
Yeah, super Luca. Wow. Yeah, so before here was only BZ10 and
Yes, before was only BZ10, BZ13, Crema and BZ09, and now we are adding the Aria model.
nice.
The Aria feature, most important feature, are the frame in stainless steel. So we decided
Yeah.
to make all the frame of the coffee machine in stainless steel 304. This means that you don't have to paint it, and when you remove the drip tray, it's impossible to scratch it.
Yeah, and no corrosion. So
No corrosion, exactly.
yeah, that's fine.
It's completely,
Excellent.
free from any corrosion.
Yeah,
Okay?
and also here the parts are soft.
Here the parts are soft. We have invested in a new machine that remove the edges. If they are too sharp, remove the sharpness from the edges of the coffee machine. And the most, let's say, the most important feature is in the art of this machine, that is the motor pump. We found a compact motor pump
It's a
that
smaller one.
is very small and can be fitted in such a kind of machine, but have the performance of a professional motor pump. So
This one here.
Yes.
And the motor is also quite
the motor,
small.
it's very small, it's very silent. You have the bypass underneath the machine by which you can even regulate the pump setting.
Can I lift it
Yes.
up a little bit so then maybe so here,
This is the bypass regulation.
yeah.
If you see now from the lower part, we put also a water tap underneath the boiler that was not present in our previous model,
Yeah.
to empty the boiler totally when you have to do maintenance.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Wow. And the capacity of the pump is 60 liter or
The capacity of the pump is 65 liter.
oh wow. It's-
It is food compliant, so it is done for the compliance with the water that can be drinkable.
yeah.
The boiler is insulated in copper. All the brass is lead-free brass, so
Okay.
is compliant with all the rules of food compliancy. And as I told you, here all the internal part of the machine are completely in stainless steel.
Very nice. And this part here is the heat exchanger, or
This part is the heat exchanger, where we connect two pipes to allow the thermosiphonic circulation
Yeah.
to work, so to heat up the group. That's why it has this big head where we have the two biggest pipes that you can see.
okay, yeah. Yeah. So we look how it's in the almost finished version.
Exactly. Here you see the inlet and the outlet.
Super interesting. Yeah.
By these two pipes, you have the water passing and doing the
Yeah.
heating of the group. Okay.
And yeah, some people ask for what is this second tube. Here is the
So this
water
is-
for the pump.
Yeah, this is the blow tube,
Yeah.
blow the water with a small filter to prevent the impurity to go
Yeah.
into the coffee circuit. This is the pipe that discharges the overpressure of the valve. Let's say in this kind of machine, it's work just for safety.
Yeah,
so in
yeah.
case I have too much pressure in the circuit, this valve open and release the water that goes in the water tank.
Okay, yeah.
In case, because in this machine we have the bypass, so you preset, you regulate the pressure of the pump
Yes.
with the bypass. In case you have a vibration pump, like in the BZ10 model, you discharge by this pipe the difference in between the maximum pressure of the pump, that usually is 15 bar, and the setting of this valve.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you regulate the pressure. If you want 9 bar pressure, it will discharge approximately 6 bar pressure to have the right pressure into the group. So this water is completely clean, is fresh water that we recycle and we send it in the water tank, and we avoid to let's say spoil this water and throw it away.
And Luca, one question: which kind of plastic is used for the water tank?
This is a food compliant plastic.
Yeah.
We have the certification of the production process by the guy that let's say have our mold, and we use food compliance material. So all the material are approved by usually by FDA, but also by the European rules of food compliance.
Cool.
Let's say FDA is good because it's one rule for all the United States. In Europe, we still are get a little bit lost in between all the different regulations, but let's say it's food compliant.
Cool. And the version here is the basic version with the presso start.
So this is the basic version with the presso start that is already on the market. We gonna release in July the first order of Aria with PID control, shot timer, and flow control system. Plus, on the PID version, we will have the option to connect the machine to the main water supply or the water tank. So you can use both systems in the same machine. It's a really simple system. By a small tap, you can convert the machine. So I think now I can present you the functional machine, the first functional prototype of this PID version. We can go to have a coffee or a cappuccino.
Oh yeah, hey, cool, that's cool. Yeah, let's go there.
Let's go.